Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for auction house business. So if you run an auction house business, then updating bidders about new auction alerts can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send registration forms and update bidders about new auction alerts all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for auction house business. Before we begin the process of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. And as you can see, we have received a message from the auction house. We have sent this message to the user with the help of inbox section in Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create these template messages, you can check the link in the description box. Now, our template message says, "Welcome to Prestige Auctions. We host exclusive auctions for arts, antiques and collectibles. New auctions are just around the corner. How can we help you today?" And it has provided us with 3 options to choose from. Here I'm going to select the first one that says Upcoming Auctions. And our chatbot responds us with New Auction, Modern Art and Collectibles, date 22nd June 2025, location online and New Delhi showroom, need further assistance. Here I'm going to choose the second option, register as a bidder. And our chatbot responds us with register as a bidder. Let's begin with collecting your details first. Kindly enter your full name. So here I'm going to send a dummy response like demo user. And here our chatbot responds us with, "Glad to register you as demo user. Now can you please share your email with us?" So here I'm going to send a dummy email address like this. And the chatbot responds us with, "Register to bid in our upcoming auction. Please complete your registration below to receive your bidding access and updates. Click here to register," and it has provided us with this clickable link towards our form. Lastly, I'm going to choose download catalog. And it responds us with download catalog, view our latest auction collection, download full catalog PDF, and here it has provided us with a dummy PDF. Would you like to speak with a specialist? And here it has provided us an option to contact us. So I'm going to click on it. And it responds us with, have any questions or need bidding assistance, call on this given number or email us on this given address. This is the WhatsApp chatbot we have created. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for auction house business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you want to create the same, go to the Pabbly Chatflow's website. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp number. Then you will get two options. WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, and when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like WhatsApp Chatbot for Auction House. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature, under which there is an option to enter keywords. We use this feature to enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. Now this regex will safely trigger on every keyword. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here you can see we have an option to choose template. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates from which you can choose any template to send to the user. Here I am going to choose this auction alert template. And our template message will look like this. Welcome to Prestige Auctions. We host exclusive auctions for art, antiques and collectibles. New auctions are just around the corner. How can we help you today? And we have given the user 3 options to choose from. Upcoming auctions, register as a bidder, download catalog. Now we will curate a response for each of the quick reply option and let's begin with upcoming auctions. And for this, I'm going to access the text button from here. And here I'm going to add all the upcoming auction details. So here I'm going to add, our message will look like this. Next auction, modern art and collectibles, date 22nd June 2025, location online and New Delhi showroom, need further assistance, and here I'm going to add an option from which the user can contact us for further details. Here I'm going to add an option to contact us, like this. Now I'm going to provide contact details from which user can contact us. Here I have added all the details and our message will look like this. Have any queries or need bidding assistance, call on this number or write us an email on this address. Once we are done curating our first response, we can move on to the next, that is register as a bidder. And for this, I'm going to access the action type nodes, tap on ask question to get a question box like this. And here I'm going to gather details of the user to register them. So here I'm going to add, here I have added this message. Register as a bidder. Let's begin with collecting your details. First, kindly enter your full name and here you can see there is an option to enter contact custom field. And to enter contact custom field, you need to create one first. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can watch the video in the description box. Here I have already added some contact custom field, so I'm going to choose it. Here, as we are asking for the name of the user, I'm going to select contact custom field as name. And as format, I'm going to select text. And here we have number of attempts. You can give as many number of attempts as you want to give to the user. And you can also enter a validation message. I'm going to leave it empty. Once you're done generating your question box, you can link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Now, once the user responds us with their name, we will ask them another question. So I'm going to access the question box again. And here I'm going to add this message. Glad to register you as $name. Now name was our contact custom field and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user. Here we have also added our next question. Now can you please share your email with us? So here from the drop down I'm going to select email and as format I'm going to select email. And then again we have number of attempts and validation message. I'm going to leave it empty and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Here we are going to generate a response for this now. Now our message will look like this. Register to bid in our upcoming auction. Please complete your registration below to receive your bidding access and updates. Click here to register, and here we have provided them with a clickable link towards our registration form for the auction. Once we are done with our second response, we will move on to the last option that says download catalog. So here again I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. Here I have added this message and it looks like this: download catalog. And here we have provided them with a clickable link of the full catalog PDF. Would you like to speak with a specialist? And here I'm going to add contact us. And then we are going to link it to the same message where we have added our contact details. And our WhatsApp chatbot for auction house is completed here. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all the amazing features provided by Pabbly. Now if you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I have shown in this video, and once you're done creating your flow, you can save it, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.